We have reached the second series of text functions and we want to start with the rept function in this part. The rept function repeats a character a specified number of times. This function stands for repeat. The arguments and input parameters of this function have two parts. The text part, which is the desired text or character, and the next part is number times, which is the number of repetitions that we determine. Let's learn more about this function with an example. Suppose a number can have a maximum of 12 digits. We must write the formula of cell B2 in such a way that Excel puts an asterisk after the desired number. For example, cell A2 contains the number 120,000, which is a 6-digit number. We want to write a formula that adds a number of stars after this number until it reaches 12 digits, so that this number becomes 12 digits with the number of stars. So in this table, in order to reach all the numbers to 12 digits, asterisk must be placed. For this, we write equal, we select cell A2, we select AND. As we said before, AND pastes the cell. We put the double quotation and enter the star. For example, we enter 6 stars and put the double quotation again. We already mentioned this point. In order for Excel to recognize the character that is not defined for it in the formula, we must put it in quotation marks. Now, if we press enter, you will see that 6 stars are attached to all the numbers. And this is wrong, and it should be dynamic. And add as many stars as needed, and it should be variable. So we have to use the rept command in this formula. For this, we open the formula. After cell A2 and rept, we enter AND. Open parentheses. See, rept has two parameters. The first parameter is text. That is the text that is supposed to be repeat, which is the star here. So we enter the star inside the double quotation. In the number times field, because we want it to change dynamically for all numbers, we must write the formula like this. 12 minus len cell A2, because our total digits must be 12 digits and become number of digits that is in the cell. We subtract from it and tell the formula to start the rest. And now, if we press enter and drag it down, you will see that for all the cells, a star has been added. And all here, there are 12 characters. That is, if you come to get a len for this cell, you will see the number 12. As you know, len is the length of the text string. But, my friends, this was the first method. Let's go and execute this command with the second method. We write equal. We enter cell A2 and we enter double quotation, start whatever number we want. Now you see that it shows us 12 with all stars. Now we come to the formula. We add the command left and tell us to show us 12 digits from the left side of this cell that has a star. Now, if we press enter, you will see that it will show us 12 digits and it will be applied to all cells. Here we want to give another example for the rept function because this function has different uses in different places. Suppose that for the group deposit of personal salaries, the payment software of the banks is such that the format of entering the account number and the amount should be the same as cell C. The total number of digits of this code must be 15 digits. The first 10 digits are the account number. If the account number is less than 10 digits, a 0 must be placed before that digit, and the amount can be a maximum of 15 digits. If the amount is less than 15 digits, a 0 must be placed before that digit. We have to write a formula here to generate this code for us. So we write equal rept, open parentheses, we enter 0, we write the number of repetitions, 10, minus len, cell A2, we enter and, we enter cell A2 again, and again, and now we select the whole of formula and start to copy it. Well guys, now instead of A2, we enter B2, and instead of 10, we enter 15. Now if we press enter, you will see that the number we wanted has been generated.